Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to review another passive income project which is called as Cosmik Finance, and we will be reviewing their project from scratch to end. I will also show you how we can invest in this particular project. Before we start the video, I would request you to please like and subscribe to my channel. Any advice given on this channel is not considered as a financial advice, so please do your research before investing in any of the project. So let's get this video started. Okay, so if we go to the main page of this particular website, so it's called as cosmicfinance.com. All of the links will be left in the description. They haven't launched any Telegram group, which is excellent. So this project will be discussed on the Discord, Twitter, and that's the Cosmic Finance documentation, which we will be reviewing from scratch to end. So it says sustainable plus credible. We at Cosmic Finance have measures in place to ensure sustainability and credibility for the benefit of our investors, making this an ideal and safe long-term investment. So it is KYC'd by Rugdog, audited by Solidarity Finance, and then Binance Smart Chain has verified their contract. So that's their contract address. So that's the dashboard where you can log in and see how your stuff is going. That's documentation. Scrolling down a bit more, so Cosmic Auto Staking Protocol. Cosmic Finance delivers a dynamic APY system in trust cycle of every 10 minutes and simply a simple buy, hold or earn system that grows your profitable securely and rapidly. Now the key indicators, so they have dynamic tax, dynamic APY, multi-sig. So let's review them. Dynamic tax, first of its kind in BSC, the system dynamically raises the tax when a transaction negatively affects the liquidity, thus creating a price stability and sustainability. Then the next thing is called as Dynamic APY. Cosmic's APY is unique and customized to combat unnecessary inflation. This is the solution for growth and longevity. Multisig. The multisig wallet would function to prevent one singular individual from removing funds from it. So they have also implemented some sort of strong taxation system. So DAO, the community governs the Cosmic Trust wallet. Okay, that's good. Anti-bot, the anti-bot measure ensure the health of the chart upon launch. Okay, so once you are going to deposit the money, so the buying fees is 14%, sell is 16%. In terms of the buying part, so 4% goes to automatic LP, 5% to the vault. Cosmic Trust gets 2.5% and Firepair 2.5. Same goes with the selling part. If we scroll down a bit more, so their alliance, our key alliance across the DFI space would provide Cosmic Finance traction of growth and sense of security to all of the investors. So the document has already been reviewed by Rugdog, KYC'd by them, and Solidarity Finance. Some of the FAQs, so let's review them very quick. Which chain is being used? So Binance Smart Chain. Was the pre-sale whitelist or public? Whitelisted, and it was filled organically within 10 seconds. No bots or no gas war was done. That means the project has been launched and the pre-sale was done like very quickly in a matter of seconds. When launched was between 2 to 4 May. Confirmation news will be released when listing on CX. So we will list on DX first, then CX will be announced in the Discord. So you will have to join their Discord to get all the insights of the project. They are not available on the Telegram, so this means they are completely shit free. No like stupid scams on Telegram. So join their Discord to get an update. Scrolling down a bit more, if you will go on the top of the website, so that's their Twitter page and that's the Discord link. I'll leave it in the description, and that's their documentation. Let me review their documentation a bit and then I'll show you. So if we go on to the Twitter part, so 7,139 people are following them, which is quite good. Seems to be a promising project, and that's their chart. I think it keeps on growing. And then if I'll go back to the Discord, so that's their official Discord, which you can join from here. Currently there are 12,000 members, which is huge. Let us review their documentation a bit. So what's Cosmic Finance utility, or what's their overview? So Cosmic Finance is an auto staking and auto compounding protocol in BSC that focuses on two keys ethos, sustainability and credibility. We have measures in place to ensure both of these ethos are carried out to the highest level, including implementation of dynamic tax and dynamic APY, which we have already discussed a bit back. The first token in BSC to do so, making this an ideal long-term investment for all. Please refer to the key indicators. And then scrolling down a bit more, so what's their purpose? We are here to revolutionize how traditional auto-scaling protocols function via number one, setting a new trend with a new meta, which is dynamic APY, omnichannel marketing that are practiced in real world, lowering the barrier of entry into crypto via our utilities, proving how protocols can be sustainable. So in terms of the security and credibility, KYC1 is here, KYC2 is here, audit 1, audit 2, all of them are done. They are dual KYC'd and double audited, which is quite good thing. That's the official links. All of these will be in the description. Then all of the documentation are via our Discord only. That's the official ones. They don't have any Telegram groups. If somebody is trying to impersonate Cosmik Finance on Telegram group, so please don't join them or don't listen to them. Then Cosmik Finance token. So these are their addresses. Launchpad. They will be launching a gem pad, which is quite good. Refer to pre-sale. Then that's the taxation part in terms of the buy and sell. So what are key differentiators? So if we talk about the key differentiators, so elimination of the price manipulation, which they have already added, that's quite good. Then dynamic API is the new meta. Future proof utilities, bulletproof security, which is quite good because they have already double KYC. Qless, then key partnership, accessibility, transparent, multi-sig, community driven wallet. And scrolling down a bit more, let's check the tokenomics part. So that's their BSC scan. So they have two contracts basically. So the first one is for Cosmic, the second one is W Cosmic. So you can verify their addresses on Binance Smart Chain. Then initial chain will be like Binance Smart Chain. So initial supply is 325k, and then total supply is 3.25 billion APY of between this and that. So they are going to give you a dynamic API starting from 191k to 265k, and it's like recompounded or given to you approximately in 10 minutes. Now let's check what's wrapped Cosmic. So wrapped Cosmic is an index adjusted wrapper for Cosmic. That's an upgraded version. Unlike your Cosmic Binance, your wrapped Cosmic Binance will not increase over time. So when we are talking about like W Cosmic, which is unwrapped, you receive Cosmic back on the latest index. So the total yield is same. So it's almost the same thing, but the taxation part is a bit different. So it's 15% buy, 15% sell. Pre-sale part, which has already been completed. Let's check into the roadmap and see what their utility is. So all of these things are done, and they have done it in very quite fast time, which is in like 2 months. So whitelisting part is done, catering is done. Let's look into the future utilities. So release of Cosmic Trade. I think they will be launching something like Pancake Swap or any sort of that utility. Onboard a marketing agency. Okay, so they are going to like go proper like marketing. They will market their project properly. So this seems to be a huge one. And Twitter marketing campaign, I think which they were already doing. Cosmic, Edwards, PR releases, Roadmap 2.2, which has not been released yet. Then these are all of the other stuff which you need to understand when you are going to buy their project, and try to understand the taxation part because it's very tricky when you are investing in like a longer project. Because what happens is sometimes you are thinking that I'll immediately invest in after 2 or 3 days when the token goes very high, I can take my money out. But that's not how things work in these projects, because oftentimes what happens is when you are injecting money, that's fine, but when you are taking out money, you might be charged 15 or 30% tax, and then you will be in vain, like you will be literally in stress. So that's their Cosmic Trust. Then that's the vault. So the vault is a separate wallet in the protocol. They might be launching their wallet soon. They do have an auto staking. They do have an auto staking part, which we will be reviewing on their dashboard. That's the blockchain info, like audit and multisig part. I think that's it from the documentation part. So now let me go back onto their main website and we will click on dashboard. And so the moment we will click on dashboard, so let me collect my wallet first. So the wallet will be connected in the back end just for the security purpose. And then now it's asking me in the back end to connect with this particular address. So it's saying connected. Once it will be connected, you should see your public address here. Now let's go back to, so that is the dashboard. Let me click on the calculator. The current price of that Cosmic token is 2.94, and they are saying like as of now the AP is 388,047, which is 388k approximately. Taking an example, let's say if I try to invest maybe 1,000, and the price of purchase, I'll put the current price. And if I scroll down a bit more, so it's saying like the initial investment is 2,940 current wealth, and let's increase the days. If I hold it approximately, maybe let's take it for 3 months. So let's take it to 90 days. Okay, if I'm keeping this project for 90 days, so the ROI is, the daily is 2.28. The future market price, I'll put, let's say if it goes to maximum of maybe 4, or let's say 5. Okay, let's keep it on the 4. So on an amount of 2,940, if the price goes to maximum of let's say 4, in a matter of 90 days, I will be getting around 15,000 profit, which is quite huge. If I keep on increasing, let's say if I hold that one for 365 days, the token price remains same. I'm still making around maybe 764k, which is quite huge. And these prices are basically not 100% realistically, which gives us very like high enticement. So like you will be very, you will be very keen, okay, let's invest $1,000 and after a year we will be millionaires. So no, that's not how things work, because everything depends on this price. So imagine currently the price is 2.94. If that price can go to maybe zero point 0.1 and the future price is also zero point 0.1, here is the difference. So you're getting my point. So that's how things can change. Even if this price go lower, let's say. So now what you invested at that time was $2,000, right? If the coin itself goes very down, so that 2,000 can be converted to 259. So remember to consider these risks. Let's get the fingers crossed. Hopefully things will go as it is. And so currently it's 2.94. And even let's take the worst case scenario. Let's take the worst case scenario. I'll say like, let's say if they go back to zero point 0.1, still you will be making $25,996 on your investment of 2000. So overall seems to be a good one. The good thing which I liked about this project is they don't have that telegram shit. Everybody who is launching a miner or project, they have telegram group, and tons of other people are coming up. They will add you in another groups. They will try to impersonate, okay, that's my project and this and that, and that's how like they can entice you. So let's see. Anyways, so guys, if you want to buy their project, so you will click on swap. It's not here yet, and you can swap it from another wallet. So you can swap it from like Bogged Finance. So what you need to do is, so you need to have like some BNB in your wallet. So we need to connect. So we need to connect our wallet, and let's say currently I have this amount of BNB. Once I'll click here, let's say 0.01. So I will be getting around 1.27 of their tokens. Currently it's saying like insufficient balance, but if you have like sufficient balance, then it will give us an option to swap. The moment we will click on swap, automatically it will charge a gas fee, and then we will be getting this token, and that will be automatically added to our wallet. And then once we will click on dashboard one more time, we should be able to see all of our stuff here. And then this project will run based on the APY which they have promised. So anyways guys, that's it from my today's video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for updates on crypto, stocks, and these passive income projects. So please don't forget to share this video as much as possible. Thank you.